Happy Kids TV.
Hi, Billy. How are you doing? So what are you up to this morning? Billy, what is that? Billy, that is another kind of vehicle. Do you know what it is? Well then, why don't you go and build us a picture of a bus? Do you think you can try and do that? It will be fun! Wonderful, Billy! I think you have found them all. But let's start to build that picture, and we shall see if we are right. How about that cube there? No. I think that will go to the left. Now the other cube goes there. Oh, look! That is a picture of a bus. We have now built another vehicle. Yes, Billy. The picture matches the toy bus completely. Hooray! Billy, I'm sure you know that buses carry people from one place to another. But tell me, what does a school bus do? Okay, you know the answer. You're such a smart little bulldozer. Yes. So a school bus carries little children from their homes to school and then brings them back home again. Oh, look! See how the bus will take her to school. Let's learn about the different parts of the bus, okay? Come! See? Those are the wheels going round. Now that sound is made by its horn. Can you hear the bells go ding, ding, ding? Ooh, and now listen. There's a baby inside crying. Oh no! All right, Billy. Come back later and we'll build and play with yet another picture of a vehicle. There's so much that can be learned while playing, isn't there? Bye-bye for now.